Hello and welcome to Devel Designz. Today I am going to organize my refrigerator and I am have you guys see how I do it. This is the big boy here, and this video is going to be fairly simple. It's not about using a lot of containers, not about doing extreme makeover of the refrigerator. It's going to be a very simple video where you're gonna see quick wipe down, a simple organization with whatever you have. This is my refrigerator. You can see it's big, it's all full of a lot of food. I have to go through this. I need to check if I have any items that have expired. I want to wipe down all the shelves. First thing first, let's try to empty whatever we have in all these shelves and see. Okay, this orange sauce is done. I don't think we have enough left. This is gonna go out. Okay, let's wipe down all these shelves. To line these shelves with little paper towel like this, so if there's any spillage out of all these bottles of condiments, then it's gonna be on this paper. And alright, now it's time to check what are the things that are expired and that have not been expired. So alright, so I have just sorted out things that are expired. These are all expired items on this side. All these have expired. This hasn't expired, but we are not using it as much. These are the things that are gonna go back. So how I do is I would wipe each and every bottles just in case if there's any spillage on top, on the nose or anywhere, and that's gonna keep it clean. For now, I am going to load up all the shelves and get back to you. Try to adjust the shelves according to your needs. Some of the shelves will need longer height, some will need shorter. I usually put things that I don't use as much on the top shelf. And then bottom here goes milk and important items that you kind of use. These are top bottles. Before I start cleaning the other shelves, I do a little bit of prep work. For that, I will leave a roll of paper towel just in case for some spillage or accidents. Let's start from the top, always top to bottom. Usually do is I empty each shelf, I go through each shelf and see what I need to keep and what I need to throw away. You can see I'm trying to sort things that are expired or things that I don't use as much. Using Ziploc bags, try to keep Ziploc bags not like this, otherwise this is gonna hang. Instead, turn it around and put it in such a way that the back part is hanging in the Alright, so I have emptied that shelf, the second shelf, and I'm gonna go through what I have. I usually keep this butter, this container of butter here, that way I know exactly where to wrap this from. And rest of all these cheeses and fruits will go here. Let's clean this side up. Okay, so I brought back two things. One is I have this little container which I have bought years ago, and what I do is I would put sometimes we don't use whole chilies for the cooking, and I'll put that chilies inside this container. And what I do is I also keep one small container like this, and what I do is I add some of the curry leaves in this container. That way it's all contained. Whenever I have to do my Indian cooking tadka, then I have my curry leaves, my green chilies. So let's go through all these items. I haven't labeled my refrigerator, but you can also do that. And my system is pretty consistent, so I know where things usually are and where they belong. So we are almost done with my refrigerator cleaning video. I am going to put away these kitchen towels. I'm gonna throw it in the washer. That way you can check my kitchen counter is nice and clean. I have a running list ready for the things that I can make. Kind of a meal planning is done. And also things that I need to buy is also listed here. I would love to show you how my refrigerator looks. It looks very clean and neat. I am going to keep this together. These are my daughter's lunch for next 2 days. All the condiments and everything is up there. You can check. Leftovers, quick grabs, veggies, egg. I need some bread, a few more condiments on this side, and I will put milk here, and I think we are good to go. So in next few minutes I will take off, go get some groceries, pick up my kids, and come back home. I would love to see you guys soon. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. If you want links for any of the items that I have used today, please comment. Happy to answer any questions. Until we meet again, thank you for watching. Ciao. Bye. Have a good day and enjoy.